First time walking up to the new resort, our home resort, and it's raining. Fantastic. Welcome home. Room tour of 8857 at the Riviera Resort. First things first. See if they'll let me in. Yep, I'm allowed in. What a relief. Who left this luggage here? Oh, that was me. So you come in, somewhere to put the post and the mail, somewhere to put your bags. This is the biggest closet ever. Put your bags in there, hang your stuff up there, suitcases below, safe. That's a massive closet. Really cool. That would be the connecting room where we connected, but we're not. Then you come in and you have a lovely wife. This doesn't come as standard. This is a paid option. Costs a bloody fortune, but highly recommended. Then to the left, split bathrooms. It's like being on a Disney cruise. This is just proper good. Car seat, throne, whatever you want to call it. And then my favourite thing, a walk-in shower. I will be spending most of my time in here. Look at that. And a seat. Just fabulous. And the artwork and the tile colours. Nick, I think this is the colour we're having at home. That's cool as you like. Lovely. Then obviously shower over a bath. In there, single vanity. Hat hair. Linked together. Obviously you can close the door. Door there. So nice. Feels